In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize photos in Canva for Instagram and Facebook. Whether you're a social media enthusiast or a marketer managing multiple platforms, knowing how to effortlessly resize your photos for different social media sites can save you a great deal of time and enhance your post's effectiveness. First and foremost, it's important to note that to access the resizing feature, you need to be a Canva Pro user. So, if you're not a Pro member yet, consider upgrading to take full advantage of this useful tool. Once logged into Canva, open the design that you want to resize. Now, take a look at the top bar of your screen and you'll notice the Resize button. Go ahead and click it. This is your starting point for resizing your design to suit various social media specifications efficiently. When you click Resize, a whole array of options will unfold before you, making this task much more manageable. For our purpose here, you'll want to select social media. This section is designed to streamline the process by conveniently gathering all the social media resizing options into one place. After selecting social media, your next step is to choose Instagram from the list. Instagram has specific size specifications catered to posts, stories, and IGTV videos. The tool automatically adapts your image to fit perfectly within Instagram's format, ensuring that your post appears flawlessly on the platform. This means that you can maintain consistency in your content appearance with minimal effort. Upon clicking Instagram, you will be presented with the opportunity to select the size options that best match your content needs. It could be a post, a story, or even an IGTV cover. This flexibility is excellent because it allows you to customize your content exactly to your targeted audience on Instagram. Once you've identified your preferred size, go ahead and click Resize this design. This simple action will adapt your current design to the new dimensions, enabling you to publish it on Instagram without worrying about cropping or quality loss. Using this feature really helps maintain the integrity of your design while ensuring it's visually appealing. And here's the best part. You can repeat these steps for Facebook just as easily. Start by selecting Facebook from the social media options, ensuring the design is tailored for Facebook's specific post dimensions. Like Instagram, Facebook has its own set of requirements for post sizes, catering to timeline posts, event covers, or ads. Once you select Facebook, confirm your choice by selecting the specific size you want. Then, simply click Resize this design again to adjust the dimensions effortlessly. This adaptability is incredibly valuable in managing the appearance and aesthetic across different platforms without sacrificing design integrity. To sum it up, this powerful tool not only enhances your design efficiency, but also provides the flexibility you need to optimize visual content for multiple platforms. Try it out today and see how it can streamline your workflow and elevate your social media presence. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tips and tutorials.